Hello everyone, I am Rahul Jain. In this tutorial you would be learning how to link your email address with Microsoft Outlook. So just follow the simple steps and you would get done in just within some clicks. So log on to the website products.office.com, then go to products and Outlook. You can choose to download a trial version and purchase the complete suite. Once downloaded and installed into your PC, then just open up Microsoft Outlook. There are some email service providers which Outlook links to automatically. For example, @outlook.com, @live.com. And for other, you would have to link up the application manually. Here we would be covering both the procedure. So just put it the email address er_rahul.jain@outlook.com and just connect. Then at the prompt of the password, so and then click OK. By the adding Microsoft Exchange account you have changed for some your new email address and calendar information is saved. Just click OK and the account successfully added. So just click on done. This the profile is loading. Once your email address has linked with the Microsoft Outlook, the application would start sending and receiving data from your email provider. It will be take some time because the first time email configuration into your Outlook setup. You can check it. This is the account and configure with the PC. Fine. So now we are set up account manually. Follow the simple steps: account settings or add account. Account settings, then account settings. Under the email tab, click on new, advanced, set up the manually. The email address is that. So now let me set up the account manually, then connect. It will prompt like advanced setup. So there's a different manually configuration like Office 365, Outlook.com, Google, POP, and IMAP. So just we are setting up the POP. The incoming mail server is that pop.gmail.com. The port is 995 because it's a secure server. So just check the checkbox. The servers required an encrypted connection SSL of the TSL. SAM is the outgoing server with smtp.gmail.com. The port is 465 and it's already a secure server. The encryption method is the SSL/TSL. If you have already the existing Outlook data file, so just click on use an existing data file and browse in. Then if you are just as a newer account, then click on next button and just place the password. Adding to this account. Account added successfully. Once you are done with that, simply click on close button. You just check it. This account is here, info.rockup@gmail.com. Just click on send and receive folder and the emails are into your inbox. Once the link, you would get an email notification which proves that the procedure was a success. Thank you for watching this video. Just please subscribe, like it and share it. Thank you very much once again.